What is the best description of the structure of the second paragraph? This is a structure-based question, so we need to look at the mind map. As per the mind map, the first paragraph talks about huge public support for nuclear power in the 1970s, and the second paragraph talks about the shift in public opinion in the 1980s. So we need to answer this question in this context. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A public opinion shift is stated, a reason is identified and challenged. We know from the mind map that the second paragraph talks about the shift in public opinion. We can also see that here in this reference where it says that public opinion suddenly flipped. So this part is true. But does it also talk about a reason? The passage further down says that paranoia of global nuclear annihilation reached its peak and caused people to go firmly against nuclear power. So this is the reason that the passage is citing as the reason for the shift in public opinion. So the reason is identified. Is the reason also challenged? The passage says that there is unspoken association between nuclear power and nuclear weapon, because of which there is this fear of global destruction. But this premise, this association is fundamentally flawed. And then it goes on to give the reasons to say, and then the passage explains in this part why the premise is fundamentally flawed. So it can be said that the reason is challenged. So overall, this is a good answer choice. Let's keep it on hold. Answer choice B. Two nuclear derivatives are compared and contrasted. So there is a reference to plutonium-240 and plutonium-239 at the end of the second paragraph, but this discussion is limited in scope and it cannot be said to describe the structure of the second paragraph. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice C. A specific shift in public opinion is discussed and a general conclusion is drawn. The passage discusses a specific shift in the 1980s, but there is no general conclusion drawn about such shifts. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice D. A shift in public opinion is narrated and a reversal is predicted. It is true that the second paragraph talks about a shift in public opinion, but the second paragraph does not talk about any reversal. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice E. Unspoken association between war and public opinion is detailed. Now the passage talks about unspoken association, but that is between nuclear power and nuclear weaponry. So the passage doesn't actually have any discussion based on the relationship between war and public opinion. So this answer choice can be eliminated. A is the correct answer.